York, like Nancy Pelosi can shell out for the storm damage of Rome, New York. Wow. I mean, didn't the politicians in Rome, New York, like the county executive and Mayor Lanigan, make it clear to you, Governor Hochul, that we have like a need for $20 to $25 million, and you give all of the county $11 million to split up. $4 million of that goes to Rome, New York. I mean, wow. I mean, I gotta admit, Governor Hochul, I gotta admit, you're quite the asshole. And I would say these houses on South Madison Street got it the worst. I mean, wow. And the tornado touched farther down on South Madison Street, about right at Muck Road is where it was forming. But by the time I got up, as it was working its way northward on South Madison Street, it really became a full-fledged tornado. Unfortunately, nobody got video footage of it, so any video footage you really see of a tornado barreling through Rome is just a fake video. This tornado was definitely concealed in rain. It was rain wrapped. And those are the most dangerous tornadoes because you just don't know what's coming. All you see is a big wall of rain. But all these buildings with an X on it simply means they can't be occupied, and they'll probably be torn down. Now, if the homeowners don't have insurance for these houses, that means the city is going to have to cover it, undoubtedly, because they can't keep them up. Or they'll just wait until they get FEMA money to tear them down, which could be 2 years. Yeah, 2 years. All Governor Hochul had to do was give $20 million to help tear down these houses. What does she give Rome? $4 million. And undoubtedly, what is going to happen is undoubtedly your property taxes are going to be going up because of this storm. The mayor isn't going to say anything about it because A, it's going to ruin his chances of re-election. The county executive isn't going to say anything about the increase of tax, but undoubtedly that's what's coming. But the entire roof of this house just got ripped clean off. Something. 500 South Madison Street. Something. And I think this house was a rental home. Not really sure on that, but there was more than, you know, people just didn't live in it very often, but I think it was probably a rental. But Oneida County is either going to have to rely on donations or but that's quite a house, just completely. And they might repair it because they have tarp over the roof, but like I said, it's going to depend on insurance. This porch has been completely mauled by the tornado. Still got some trees in this area that they got to remove. Basically, they present a hazard. Another roof destroyed. Here's another home destroyed. I mean, the roof just ripped right off. Yeah, but thanks, Governor Hochul. Thanks for the $11 million to Oneida County, plus the $4 million to Rome, New York. That's really going to help. That's pocket change. Yet you have the gall to give Democrats $5 million taxpayer dollars for their re-elections and their election campaigns. You really are an asshole. See, they got hit pretty hard, but none got hit harder than the U.S. Marine Corps building, which you can see has a big red X on it, which just means no occupancy. It's too dangerous. Wow, check out that cloud. Just building up. That's a beauty. I should have been a meteorologist. Anyways. But this is another building, Governor Hochul, that could use a little bit of state money. I don't know if they're going to bother fixing it or if they're just going to condemn it and tear it down. I think the damage is probably not worth the repair. So I think the Marine Corps League is probably going to have to look for another location. I'll have to Google it, see if they've gone any other place. I don't think they have yet. I think they should move right into the VFW on Washington Street. Why not have a Marine Corps League right out of the VFW? I guess that's politically not the right thing to do. But I mean, that whole roof just got moved forward and right out into the street, basically. And I mean, the whole top of the roof just got lifted up and then plopped back down. I mean, just an extreme amount of damage to the Marine Corps League. Really sad. And wow, that sun is bright. It's supposed to be a very nice day for Thursday, and then it rains out for Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then it's nice again Monday on the work week. Remember that.